पुरुषः पादो सेवा भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं यत्कामते साधनानकरे अपि तस्मात् विराजकाय विराजो हरिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमतो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वता मदन्तो अस्याधीराज्यम् ग्रीष्मैर्मत्सरद्भिः सप्तास्यासन्परितयः त्रिसप्तसमित. Just everyone repeat one shloka. So we are requesting Perumal to take the shower. So it is today auspicious day. It is weather is very nice, pleasant. So we request. There is a shloka in Sanskrit, which beautifully. How do you request? How do you invite Bhagavan to take? So everyone repeat after me. Sputikrutam maya deva idam snanasanam tvayi sapadapitham aparam shubham snanasanam mahat asadayashu snanartham madanugraha काम्यया स्नानकालः अयं प्राप्तः तवेच्छा यदि वर्तते अभ्यञ्जयित्वा देवेश सुस्नानं कारयाम्यहम्. So why Lord comes to us is only to bless all of us. Madanugraha Kamye, not because of he want to take shower. He doesn't need to be done. His name is Avapta Samasta Kama. The name for Perumal is Avapta Samasta Kama. He is all fulfilled. There is nothing, deficiency him, or he doesn't want anything. It is only to bless all of us. Why today? Why not yesterday? Why not last year? Why only today? It's all his wish. Right? He just, appears and descends whenever he wants, and he comes to us. Madanugraya Kamyaya, and we are ready, Perumal. Hey Lord, we are all ready to offer you the snanam. But only if you wish to take it. Not by our force. Only if you want to take the snanam, please, come and take the stage and take the shower as per your wish. This is not our force. So, snana kalaha ayam praptaha tavecha idi vartate. If at all you are interested, we are not forcing him. So, it's all his wish. So, he is residing. Perumal is, arrived here. So, we are so fortunate. So, let us offer with all the dravyams. So, Mangalavadhyam first. And the Harti takes one. Harti once. And one Nariyal. Or just take a fruit. Here, come. No, here. Manogam tejjadave dhogamastram purusham jagate abhibhradagna agahi striya ma paripadaya. दधिक्रावन्नो अपारितं विष्णो रथस्य वाजिनः सुरभिनो घृतं घृतपापाना पिबत भसां भसा पापाना पिबदान्तरिक्षस्य हविरसि स्वाहा दिशः प्रदिश आदिशो विदिशो उद्दिशो दिव्यः स्वाहा घृतं धारां समर्पयामि। ओम तद्विष्णो परमं पदं सदा पश्यन्ति सूरयः दिवि भजत्पुरादतं प्रातो विपन्यवो जागुवां तुस्सनिन्धते। विष्णोरराटमस्य विष्णो पृष्ठमधि विष्णोष्णत्रे विष्णो विष्णो नवमते विष्णवे त्वा। ओम अद्यः संवृतः पृथिव्ये रसाच्च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताग्रे तस्य दुष्टामर्तस्य देवत्वम्।
ஆண்டாள் வந்த இது என் பொண்ணு கல்யாணம்
अक्षरान् समर्पयामि नमस्कारान् नमस्करोमि पुष्पं समर्पयामि। ओम माल्यादीनि सुगन्धीनि मालत्यादीनि वे प्रभो मयानि तानि पुष्पाणि पूजार्थं पुष्पं समर्पयामि। वन्यात्मकं रूपमाश्रया अग्रगामि तेजोत्मकं दीपकं दर्शयामि। ओम ब्राह्मणस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यः गतः ऊरुदश्च शूद्रो अजायत।